Hello everyone, today we're going to look into the MyKad MyKid Reader. So we're going to demonstrate this on once you get the device on how to install the driver and also the software until reading the card and exporting the PDF. Alright, so this is your package, the MyKad MyKid Reader. So once you get the package, you break the seal and open it. Okay, so once you open the box, you will have this card, right? Your access details, the hardware ID. This is your hardware ID, the device ID, and this is based on how many computers you can install this device ID, the license key for the software, and this is the download link from where you should download the software. Okay, keep this card aside, and this is the device inside it. So let's take a look at the device. Okay, this is the MyKad MyKid Reader. Okay, the proprietary device, and at the back of the device you can find the hardware ID. Okay, alright, so we will start with how to download the software. So we want to show you the entire progress. Okay, to get started, we go to this download link to download the software. Open any browser that you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer that you are used to, any browser, and then go to this particular URL as whatever published in your card, right? Follow as in your card. So what's written here is mykadmykids.com/download. Go in, loading the website, and this is the website. I click on this particular link, download, click here to download. Okay, so you can see MyKad MyKid Reader software download, the hardware ID. It's asking for the hardware ID, right? The hardware ID is over here. This is your hardware ID. Or if in case you lost the card, you can refer to the hardware ID at the back of your device. Okay, I'm going to punch in this exact hardware ID. I'm going to follow the capital letters and so on. Okay, because I believe it's case sensitive, so we're going to follow exactly. H1, Y8, V4, G3, H1, Y8, V4, G3. Okay, I'm going to click on the download. It might take 10 or 20 seconds for it to validate the ID, and then it will start the download. So let's just wait for it. Once the ID is validated, it will start to download immediately. Okay, so it's actually downloading the link, the file, right? Actually, instead of for some browsers, since we have the software internet download manager software installed, it comes out like this pop-up. For some computer, you will just see the pop-up down here. It will start to download the file. And for this, I'm going to start the download. Let the file download the software for me. And as you can see, it might take some time, so 10 or maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to skip this video, let it run in full. Okay, the download is complete, and this is the zip file that was downloaded, approximately 70 MB. So the size may be bigger based on your version. Latest version may be the bigger size. So now I'm going to open this zip file, and the browser at the back just now, right? The browser, actually you can close it, so I'm going to close the browser at the back. It's no longer required. So now we go inside the zip file. When you open it, or you can double click to open it, or you can extract it. So I'm just going to open it as it's easier for us. After double click, you can see two files, step 1 and step 2. So first we need to install the step 1, which is a driver. So double click on step 1. Okay, so it's asking to install the driver. Yes, and the driver installation is running. Please take note that I haven't plugged in the device yet, so don't rush to plug in the device. Install the driver and the software first. So click next. and that's it, finish. The driver is done. The step 1 we installed already, right? The driver is done. So now we double click on the step 2, install MyKad MyKid software. So double click. Yes. Okay, so MyKad MyKid software installation, click yes, and then make sure the desktop icon is ticked, and then create start menu folder is ticked, and next. Okay, so it says launch MyKad MyKid Reader, right? If you want to launch it now, we can leave it tick, or if you want to launch it later also, you can untick it. So I'm going to untick it because I'm going to show you how to run it from the desktop. You can see the icon here, right? The new software installed already. So no need to launch now. Finish. Okay, close the zip file. Okay, no need to bother about this zip file anymore. Close it. And now this is the software. So in your desktop you might have this software. Okay, MyKad MyKid Reader. Okay, double click on it. Okay, so this is the software, and now we can officially plug in our MyKad Reader. I'm going to plug in now. Plug into the USB port. Let me just slide the wires behind the laptop. Okay, all right, so I'm having my device here, right? You can see there's a light on it, the green light, and I also have prepared the MyKad to be scanned. I just put sticker on it for privacy reason. So we're going to scan the MyKad. So let's try MyKad. Slot in the MyKad. Let me show you how to slot in. Okay, when you're slotting the MyKad, make sure the chip is going in. You should face your chip. You should be able to see the chip, and then slide the chip inside the MyKad. Don't put it the other way around. This is actually wrong. Don't put like this, and don't put like this. It should be the chip goes in first. Okay, so the come rate, that's good. And then from the system we can actually click on extract MyKad data. We put in the MyKad, right? So we can click on extract MyKad data. When to extract, it will ask you either you want a full extraction 10 seconds, which actually includes the photo inside the MyKad, or it's a basic extraction which gives you all the information but without the photo. That's the only thing. Without the photo it just takes 3 seconds. So I'm going to do that. I clicked for without the photo, and you see you cannot use it because why? We haven't activate the license key for your PC, this particular PC actually. So now it will ask for the license key. Don't freak out. You just click on this red button. You see the red button? Make sure you're connected to the internet. The PC must have the internet. And then click on this red button, request license key. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now it comes to the software licensing screen, and here it asks you for the hardware ID. Here you punch in the hardware ID. Just now we punch in the hardware ID to download, right? So we're going to do that again. H1Y8V4G3. Okay, that was easy. And then click on the green button, generate license key. So it says license key generated. Please click on install button key. So you just click on the install button. Install the green button again. So the license key is valid. Thank you for registering. And now the license key is there, registered, ready for this particular PC, which means out of three license, I already used up one. Okay, so this computer is already using one license of it. And now I can go back to my home screen, click on home screen, and then extract, and then start extraction without the photo, 3 seconds. You can actually see the lights blinking, right? So it's actually reading the MyKad. So the MyKad particulars are here, you can see. For your screen, maybe we have already blacked out some of the information because we don't want you to see. Anyway, I'm just going to scroll down. You can see all the informations are there. Okay, the yellow color fields are for your own remarks. You can punch in whatever information you need. For example, the contact number, email, those are the informations don't have in your MyKad. You can put in here. Maybe this is a membership. You're going to storing information of your members, so you can key in the member ID and whatever reference it is required. And once you're okay with it, you press save data. As long as you didn't press save data, it will not save this particular Mica information into your database. So you have to click on save data. After click, so the information is here. You can see the IC number, and that's one information. Okay, if you want to access this information, click onto it, and then again you can see all the particulars. Go back, and you can download the entire list as a Excel, and you can actually filter based on it's like an advanced search. You can search based on the IC number or filter based on the gender, birthday month, and so look for certain city members in certain city and so on. And that's pretty much it. So now go back to the home. Oh yeah, the PDF, right? Go back to the member list. I'm going to show you how the PDF works. There we go. There's a print, and this is a PDF download. Let me zoom a bit this screen so you can see it much more clearer. Okay, so that's it. This will give the print screen. Okay, you can press print and it will print out. Okay, cancel, or you can download the PDF. So go back, and here also got the download PDF link, so I can click on it, and it tells me where do you want to store this particular PHP file, right? So let's say desktop. Where's my desktop? Okay, save. So the PDF will be in the desktop. Let's minimize the software, and this is the PDF. Double click on the PDF. This is the PDF. So again, in your screen, a lot of information may be blacked out because we don't want you to see this because this MyKad is real. It's scanning the real MyKad. We don't want the real particulars for you to see. And back to the software. If you want to delete this particular member, delete this particular information, you can click this delete button. If you want to download Excel, you can click on download, and it will produce the Excel file. There we go. This is the Excel file. You can double click on it to open the Excel. You can just copy this Excel file and keep in your thumb drive and so on. So all the particulars are here. Again, we have the entire list will come out. If you got 1,000 members also, the entire list will come out. So we close this Excel. We have done here. Now go back. Now let's mess around with MyKid. Now it's MyKid's turn. MyKid, you can see the logo, right? MyKid. All right. Let's just remove the MyKad and put in the MyKid. Okay. Again, the chip must go inside first, and in the home screen you can click on extract MyKid data. Okay, so it will tell it takes approximately 5 seconds. Click on it, and these are the particulars. You can see the age, date of birth, and the address, and parents information, mother particulars, father's particulars, mother's information, father's information. That's what the MyKid actually has, MyKid card. Okay, again, this is also just showing you the information. It will save into your database only when you click save. And this particular MyKid information is saved in my database. Let me remove the MyKid. It's no longer required. Okay, take out the MyKid, and this is the MyKid information. And again, it will have the print, the PDF, and also you can download this list as Excel. So let's click on download. and this will give MyKid. You can see just now we generated MyKad Excel, right? Now it's MyKid Excel, another file. So click on MyKid. You have the MyKid, the entire list of MyKid will come out based on whatever you filtered. So there's a filter screen here. You filter based on this, and then you can download the Excel. You want to search something quickly, you can search here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And now goes to the maintenance on the maintenance part. Maintenance. You can download your entire database as CSV format. The comma separated values, you can click download and then it will give you the CSV. For the MyKad that you extracted the photos, you can see inside the folder, MyKad folder. So the photos, once you click this folder, it will open the folder. And for this, this particular part, you can reset the database. Let's say you're going to an event, you're collecting your membership database, let's say visitor information in the event A. After you collected, you download the Excel or you download CSV, then you can actually reset the database, bring the fresh new software to another event B, and then you can start collecting there a fresh database, whoever visitor came to the event B, something like that. So if you don't want to reset the database, also can. Forever your database will be growing. And that's all. We pretty much covered all of it. Oh yeah, if in case somebody might ask us that if in case the MyKad information doesn't work, you just let's say you put in the MyKad and it doesn't work, there is actually a reason. The reason is the MyKad chip lasts for only 8 to 10 years. When the JPN issued you the MyKad, the chip here is only lasts 8 to 10 years maximum. So including the MyKid chip, it only lasts 8 to 10 years. And if the device cannot read your MyKad or MyKid, it means the chip is fault. So if in case you still need to register that particular member, you can do it manually. Since you cannot extract the member data from your MyKad, you can just punch in the data manually. Add member data manually, click on it, and then you punch in all the informations and so on, and then you save. Let's say I'm going to say this is sample2, the username, sample2. Okay, so whatever information we want to put in, we can put in and save the data. And so you can see the sample2, as simple as that. Okay, if you don't want this particular information, you can click on delete and you can remove it. Same goes for the MyKid. You can also delete it. Go to home, you can add the manual junior MyKid data manually, and then save it, and then view in the list of members, junior members. Okay, that's as simple as that. That's pretty much it. It covers your MyKad and MyKid software. So have fun.